Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto down here in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU225. This is a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe. It has a 2.7 V6 engine and an automatic trans in it. This one comes with 245,734 miles. The engine is locked up in this beast. I cannot get it to crank over at all. This is kind of one of those I bought from a private individual just sitting in his yard. And just needed to get rid of it. The body looks amazing on this thing for the gear. I'll show you guys that. It's definitely been sitting for a second, as you can tell by the haze and a little bit of mildew on it, which we will make sure these parts are cleaned before we inventory and send them out to you. So we'll walk on around. Like I said, I mean, real nice body. There's a ding right there in the quarter panel. Don't really see any rust or anything on it. And a ding right, the same ding on both sides. Pretty good when you can get a matching like that. But yeah, all in all, a real nice vehicle here. We're gonna go ahead and hop in. I got the battery pack hooked up to it so we can at least test out some things. So let's go ahead and see what all we got going on here. Got the key. So we'll start showing you the mileage here. We got 245,734 miles on it. We're gonna go ahead and test out some windows. That's your driver's side going down, coming on up. We're just gonna leave it down. Today is a little hot, so we'll go ahead and just leave it on down. Go into the back. Looks like all that works just fine. I'll move on over to the mirrors. The driver's side. I'll pop one over here to the passenger side. That's out all the way. That mirror seems to be broken. So we're not going to inventory the passenger side mirror there. Yeah, there ain't no fixing that. Like something snapped out of there. All right, so passenger side mirror is no good. We'll move over here to the heater AC control. Well, your heater control here doesn't seem, the blower motor doesn't seem to be working. Now, as far as the selector, everything seems to be working just fine as far as that goes, but the controls itself is not. So I'm wondering if it's something with the vehicle not being on, or it's just the blower motor's bad after years not being used. But as far as the selector goes, everything seems to be working. As you can see, the buttons change on over as you call for different things. So it seems like you get communication here just fine. It's just communication over there or wherever the blower motor actually sits. So we're going to say the heater AC control is good. The selector switch itself, the blower motor is not. Go ahead and hop on here for some radio stations.
You can't, because then you can't.
So it sounds like all that works. See, there's a CD in here. Nah, no CD, but yeah, it seems like radio works just fine. Last but not least, we'll go ahead and we'll test out the sunroof here. Yeah, so it looks like all that works just fine too. So it looks like we got it all here. A little bit of everything works just fine except for that door mirror, the blower motor. So we'll go ahead and note that, not inventory it. And anything you guys need, please call Lews Auto. It's UU225 is this vehicle here, and it's got 245,734 miles on it. If you guys have any questions, give us a shout. Thank you and God bless.